Today we are going to discuss the basics of Microsoft Excel 2016. So our today's topics are file name, workbook, then we have a quick access toolbar, ribbon, tabs, name box, formula bar, worksheet, a less known feature, scroll bars, then we have zoom, and lastly how to save a file. So let's start with the file name. Top middle, you can see that this is a book one. So this is a file name, and it is also called a workbook in Microsoft Excel. So this full screen, you can see that it is a workbook. Under workbook, we can have multiple worksheets. I will be discussing the sheets later on. Let's move to our left corner. Here we have a quick access toolbar. These are just shortcuts. You can enable any command which you use more often. For example, I will enable the quick print, so I can print quickly. Okay, these are just shortcuts. The next we have here ribbon. If you see that, starting from this file, this full area, left to right, this is called a ribbon because it looks like a ribbon. How you can hide this ribbon? Simply click here on this icon. This will be hidden, and if you want to enable it, just double click on any tab. Okay, and this, if you want to, for example, if you click on any cell, it will be hidden again. So if you want to pin it, just click on the home button and move to the right, and there will be a small pin. You can see that. Just click on this. So now this will be permanently will be appearing here. Okay, this is pinned now. It will not be hidden anymore. So this is a ribbon. Under a ribbon, we have multiple tabs, and each tab has its own options. For example, under home we have clipboard, and in clipboard we have options such as cut, copy, format, painter, and paste as well. And the next option in under home is font. We can adjust the font size and font type as well. And the next is alignment. So on, we have each tab with multiple options. Okay, so let's move our next topic. So next is the name box. Name box is just a location of a cell. Okay, for example, currently I am in the cell G5, so G5 location name is appearing here. Okay, right side of the name box we have a formula bar. This is the formula bar. So whatever you are writing in a cell, the same will be appearing in the formula bar as well. So for example, I'm writing here test. So test is appearing in formula bar as well. So next is how you can expand the formula bar. Slightly move on the right side, click on this down arrow. Okay, so the formula bar is expanded. So if you want to hide it again, just click here again. You can hide it, you can expand it. Okay, so next, now it's turn of the sheets. Okay, the sheet, this is the sheet one. This is basically a worksheet. So as I told you, under one workbook we can have multiple worksheets. So this is sheet one at the moment. Okay, if you want to add more sheets, simply click on this plus icon. So now the sheet 2 is added. So you can add as many sheets as you want. In a sheet we have columns and rows. Okay, columns are labeled with alphabets such as A, B, C, D, and rows with numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is called a cell. Okay, so currently I am in column B and row number 2. So this is B2. As I told you, this is a name box. It shows the location of the cell. So currently I am in B2. Okay. There is one feature which mostly people don't know about that. So for example, if you have 50 sheets or more than 50 sheets, so how you can see them in a one page, in one dialog box, how you can see them? So beside the sheet 1, just right click here, you will see the dialog box will open. This dialog box is showing you how many sheets are active in this workbook. Okay, so sheet 1, sheet 2. If you want to move to any other sheets, just simply double click. You will move to sheet 2. Now we are in sheet 2. If you want to go back to your own sheet, old sheet, simply click on sheet 1 or right click, double click. That's it. Okay. In Microsoft Excel, we have two types of scroll bars. One is vertical and the another one is horizontal. Horizontal toolbar is used for moving from left to right, and the vertical for up to down and down to up. So if you want to move right, click here. Now we are moving right. And if you want to move left, click here. And similarly with vertical scroll bar. If you want to move down, click here. If you want to move up, click here. And you can also drag it. Okay. Next we have zoom. Okay. There is a vertical bar. On the right side of the vertical bar we have a plus sign for zoom in. For example, if you click, zoom in. Okay. And if you click on the left side where is the minus sign, zoom out. Okay. You can also drag it, this vertical bar, for zoom in and zoom out. Our last topic is how to save a file. Click on file, save as, and select the path where you want to save a file. Since I have already saved this file, so I will change the name book 2. You can see that book 1 is already there. Okay. So if you click on this option, here you have multiple options to save a file as a micro enabled workbook, or you can save it as CSV file, PDF file, or you have all listed options. So you can save as a different format file. Okay. So let's choose a standard one, Excel workbook. Click on save. So that's how you can save a file. So that's all for today. I hope you liked my video. If you really did, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your colleagues or friends so they can learn about the basics of Microsoft Excel. Take care. Bye bye.